morning, students. I hope last 3 days you have completed your pending work. Yesterday also you celebrated your Eid, and today starting with a new chapter, chapter 7 triangle. After chapter 6 and chapter 12 we'll come back to chapter 7 triangles. It also deals with the congruency and many other factors of triangle. All of you are aware with triangle. In chapter 6 also we had dealt many things about triangle and its property. Here also we will go forward with triangle, but not with a single triangle. Comparison between two triangles. Triangle, as the name suggests, it has three angles, three sides. So elements of a triangle, consider a triangle ABC. It has three sides, AB, BC, CA. Three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. And three vertex, A, B and C. These are the 9 elements of a triangle. And when we go and deal with congruency, we take 3 sides and 3 angles. Because these 3 sides and 3 angles deal with the 2 triangles. And we will we'll read and study about the congruency of 2 triangles under various conditions. So let us go forward and see what is the meaning of the word congruent. Any particular figure, any 2 figures which are said to be congruent, they must be of same shape and size. Means 2 figures are congruent if they are of same shape and size. Let us take few examples in our day-to-day life. You might have seen coins, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and many other different rupee coins are available, 10 rupees and all. If you take a 1 rupee coin and you take another 5 rupee coin and put one on the another, pile up 2 coins of 1 rupee and 5 rupee, you will find that the 1 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin will not be able to cover 1 rupee coin. And some space will be seen, or some area of 1 rupee coin can be seen from the above. But if you take 2 5 rupees coin or either 2 1 rupee coin and pile upon one of the another, then you will see that just the outer boundaries are seen. Means one particular coin has superimposed another thing. So whenever any 2 things superimposed each other, they are said to be congruent. Many more examples also you can consider. Nowadays you are just familiar with ATM card. A bank delivers many ATM cards and almost all the ATM cards are identical. Identically means same shape and size, not the number or pin number, they can't be, but they are of same shape and size. So since they are of same shape and size, they are said to be congruent. Few more examples, you think on yourself and just write me in the comment box about the congruent thing which you are using in your day-to-day life. Even if you find in your kitchen, you can see the bowls which superimposed each other. Even the chairs which we are using in our school or in our home, they also are superimposed. They just cover each other or overlap each other. So such things which are of same shape and size are said to be congruent. Let us take few more. Take 2 squares. Here 2 squares I have drawn. Side of one of the square is 2 meter and another one 4 meter. One is of smaller size and another one of larger. Are they congruent? From the figure itself you can say that they are not of the same size. Shape may be same but the size are not same. So we can't say that both the squares are congruent. 2 squares are said to be congruent if they have same side. If the smallest square was of 4 meter, then both might be congruent. Or the bigger one was of 2 meter, then also both will be congruent. Same way, 2 circles are congruent if they have same radii. Radii means radius. One of the circle is having 2 meter radius, another one 2 meter. Both the circle has same radius, then both are said to be congruent. So, concluding for the shapes, if things superimposed each other, they are congruent. Superimposed, just overlapping, only the boundary should be same. It should not be in the way that you have kept 5 rupee coin down and up on the top you kept 1 rupee and you will say that it is superimposed. No, because it is covering the 5 rupee coin. No, it should be that it is overlapping and only the boundaries are same. Now let us go forward and deal with the congruency of two triangles. How we can say that two triangles are congruent. Proceeding with congruency of triangle, two triangles are congruent if and only if their corresponding sides and the corresponding angles are equal. I had told you that 9 elements are there, but for congruency we will consider only 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. So for two triangles to be congruent, we have to see that whether it's 3 of the sides and 3 of the angles are equal or not. Consider the example given here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB with 2 cm, BC with 3 and AC with 4. The same dimensions are of PQR. And angle A to be 60, B to be 70 and C to be 50. And the same measure of degree angle is of PQR. So here AB is equal to PQ, means side BC is equal to side QR and side CA is equal to side RP. Similarly, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R, which are of same degree. So both the triangle have same sides and same angle. Therefore, both the triangles are congruent. This is the sign of congruency. You have to write the sign if the two triangles are congruent. Here ABC, A is corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q and C corresponds to R. And it should be written in this sequence only. If you are writing in this way, ABC congruent to RQP, it will not be correct. It will be wrong. Or otherwise you are writing triangle CBA. I am just giving you example. CBA is congruent to PQR, then also it is wrong. The particular angle which is equal to the corresponding angle should be written in the same alphabetic order. If A is equal to P, it should come first. Then B to Q and C to R. It should be maintained. Otherwise the sequence is incorrect and your answer is also not right. So considering 6 element of triangle, if any 3 element of one of the triangle is equal to another triangle, then the rest 3 elements are also considered to be equal. Example I am just telling you. This is the rule of two triangles to be congruent. Means all the 3 sides and 3 angles are equal, then the triangles are congruent. But question will not be given straightforward that the 2 triangles are congruent or the sides and the sides are equal. So you have out of the 6, it may be given only 2 or 3. So on the basis of, we will not consider all the 6 elements. Out of the 6, if any 3, I have written here, any 3 element of one triangle is equal to another triangle, then also the triangles are said to be congruent. That should be kept in mind. Out of this 6, if any 3, suppose 2 sides and 1 angle, or 1 angle and 2 sides, or 2 angle and 1 side, any 3 the elements are equal, then also the 2 triangles are congruent. Then what we can say about the rest of the 3? Suppose I have given you one example here, ABC and DEF. AB is 3 cm and D is also 3 cm. BC is 5 cm, EF is also 5 cm. Angle P is 70, angle E is 70. So comparing both the triangle, out of the 6 elements, 3 elements are equal. AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and angle B is equal to angle C. Means 2 sides and 1 angle of these 2 triangles are equal to each other. Then also we can say that ABC is congruent to DEF. Then what I can say about AC, DF, whether they both will be equal? What can I say about angle A and angle D? Angle C and angle F? They all will be equal. How they will be equal? Since both the triangles are congruent, so that corresponding parts will be also equal by CP, CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Your aim should be to prove the congruency between 2 triangles, and after proving the congruency you can prove that the corresponding parts are also equal by writing CP, CT. We will proceed further with the criteria of congruency triangle. There are 5 rules which we can use to solve our sum. This all you have to copy in your file copy. You have to write it down in your file copy and maintain it properly. Criteria for the congruency of the triangle that we will discuss in the next video. Our total 5 criteria are there and few theorems are included which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.